This is a temporary teeth replacement product. They say that it works fine. If you have a missing teeth, if your teeth is missing, you can just do this thing. You can use this product to repair it, temporary repair it. I don't have a missing teeth, but I have a teeth that is fractured and is moving. So I want to test that thing. I want to test the theory. I want to test the product to see if it is working or not. So number one, they say you have to dissolve the tooth bead in a hot water. So this is my hot water. I'm gonna dissolve some of it. All right, I think this one is enough. Number two, they say wet, remove the glue when it is transparent. So you wait until the glue becomes transparent and you remove it from the water, from the hot waters. And once you remove it, you wait for 5 seconds before you put it into the right place. So all right, I'm removing. This is how it look. You see how transparent it is. It look transparent. I'm gonna test it. 5 seconds. So I'm gonna take this thing. Number three, they say place it on the tooth. I'm waiting it too. God damn. Okay. Oh my god. Are you working? Okay. And it doesn't stick though. Okay. Okay. I don't think this teeth adhesive is working, bro. Man. Okay. Ah. I give it -5. The thing is not working. I spend my money for nothing. This is a waste of money. This is a waste. Guys, it's still not working. Let me put it in hot water again. This is -5, bro. This adhesive tool is not working. Adhesive tool is not working. But guys, we are not here for this shit though. If you have something to say, let me know. If you have secret how to, if you have something to say, if you have some story to tell, joke, let me know. Other than that, as you can see, this product right here, I got a lot of them. I got the whole packet. I ordered this one when I got my tooth broken, like this one right here. It was supposed to fix my teeth, but it is not working at all. Let me put it again. Here asking, this is in the asking. It's not working, bro. They got my money for nothing, bro. They got my money for nothing. This look like you eating gum. It's not working at all. I don't know. God damn. God damn. My money is gone, bro. Alright, I'm gonna try. This is how it look. I'm gonna try it again. Let me put a smaller portion in the hot water. Oh, let me just put one piece. That's more than one piece, bro. That's more than one piece, guys. I got this teeth replacement. Like it's the owner was advertising that if you have a teeth that is missing, you can actually fix it with this shit. The what is it? The directions say that you need to pour this. You open the thing, you pour it into your in a glass of hot water. You wait until it becomes transparent. When it's become transparent, you can pull it out and then put it in a place where you are looking to fix. Like you put it in a tube that is not working, or you have an issue, like this one right here. You see how transparent it is? This looks transparent, so I supposed to move it. And for instance, this tooth right here is fissure, is fracture. I'm gonna go ahead and cut all that too. I did everything I could do. Well, is it working though? This shit is like they got my money, bro. I need my money back. I need my money back. I thought like I don't need a dentist. I thought like I already got it. Look at it. They said 99% or kill bacteria of 99.9% of bacteria. It killed 99.9% of bacteria. But this shit, look at how it look. It look like it doesn't stay, bro. Can somebody tell me how to fix it? I mean, let me bring the big one. This look like, fake gums. Let me open out like, okay, this one. This look transparent, and I'm following the protocol, by the way. I'm following the protocol. I'm trying to fix my teeth without going to the dentist guy. Let's end that here. Oh my God. Gross. Let's get in there. They got my money, man. This thing is not working. Okay.